Well, stop scrolling, because your second chance just arrived and it's called AI Matrix Spillover. Picture this. Top industry leaders building your team for you, growing your email list, and stacking up residual income while you sleep. Sounds like a dream? It's real. In AI Matrix Spillover, when marketers above you fill their spots, the overflow, spillover, drops right into your organization. You benefit from their hustle, not just your own. It's like joining a marathon where the fastest runners are literally pulling you forward. The earlier you jump in, the better your position, and the more spillover you catch as the matrix fills top down. Plus, AI-driven automation means leads and growth run on autopilot, 24/7. No more FOMO, no more missed waves. This is your moment to lock in a top spot, plug into a powerhouse team, and let the system work for you. Don't just watch others win. Visit the link now and claim your second chance matrix moment.